All right, you know the drill. We're here to unbox some amazing e-commerce packaging, and I'm here to see what's in my mailbox today for us. Woo! Oh, so colorful. This is Love Wellness. Folks, today we've got Love Wellness. Love Wellness is shipping supplements for women made from super clean ingredients. What do I notice right off the bat? Well, bam! Beautiful color. This is a full flood-coated red box. That's a printing term, and what it means is you start with a piece of material, and then instead of printing like design, it actually prints the whole material with a color. You flood the material with color. Now, this is almost flood-coated completely, but you'll see that a piece was reversed out and actually spared from the ink to have the Love Wellness logo mark. And then in this mark, you can see that there's two colors. One of the colors is the same as the flood coat, and the other one is a peach color, a lighter color. So that makes the outside of this box a two-color print. If you're like, wait, Jessie, this looks like three colors, you would be mistaken. The third color would be white, but that's actually the base color of this corrugated material. So the white was not printed. Now, it's really important that they actually started with a white piece of corrugated, because if you flood coated this same color of red over craft, you would get a much darker, muddier hue. So oftentimes when you want a bright color, you need to start with a white base. White corrugated, whether it's white on one side or white on both sides, is more expensive as a base material than craft corrugate. It's an extra step to actually bleach that paper and use materials that can get that light. So if you're looking for the most economical box possible, that's where you'll see your typical brown box. But in this case, Love Wellness is using a white base to get this beautiful red color to pop. And then you've got a piece of clear tape actually sealing the box so that nothing is covering up that beautiful color. Let's open this puppy up. And let's open it. Okay, I love the fact there's a new color on the inside. I thought it might just be the red again, but no, it's actually the peach color, and it has such a nice subtle balance to the red of pop on the outside. And it's not just a flood coat on the inside either. It actually has the Love Wellness logo and mark here in another two-color design. So the inside of the box then, between the peach color, the red color, and the navy blue color, is actually three colors on the inside of the box. Two color outside, three colors inside, and then these inserts are also printed as well. But these are simply flood coated, meaning there's no actual type or printing on them, but they're flood coated with this peach color and then white on the inside of the insert. Another thing to note is that the material making the insert is actually a slightly different grade of corrugate than the material making the box. I'm going to use my samples and compare the materials. Yes, this is as I suspected. The box itself is a B flute, and then the insert is an E flute. So the insert is made out of using a thinner grade of corrugate. The insert doesn't need as much strength as the box itself because it's never going to have the impact from going through a carrier, sitting on a truck. It's just meant to cradle these components and keep them in place. Therefore, thinner grade of corrugate, no problemo. This insert as well is made of E flute, and I'm going to show you the construction of these inserts. If I actually disassemble them, it's easy to take out the product. You do not need to disassemble the insert to take the product out. You can actually just pull it right out. But once the product is out, I can take a look at the insert construction. There's really just a flat piece of corrugate punched with this shape and some perforations and made to fit the product. Something I love about corrugate inserts is it's a powerful reminder that the engineering of the packaging is really important, because when you look at it, this is just a flat piece of corrugate printed with peach color, but when you look at it in the box, it's cradling the materials in that perfect formation. It looks really custom. Now, why do you see red on the inside of the box here on these flaps? Besides the fact that it looks really cool, there's another powerful reason. Let's take this box apart. You'll see when we take this apart that the flaps we were just looking at inside the box are actually a part of the outside. Now, this is a good reminder of how the box was actually printed. You can see that it went through a machine here, and you had the actual peach color and this logo printed on this side, and the red color and this piece reversed out on this side, and then the box was cut. The sides of the box and what's going on with the construction become a little clearer when you see it flat. To the naked eye, these colors match really well, which is no small feat because this is a different material than the box. Again, different flute. Now, every time you want to match a color, it's really important that you test the ink on the material itself, the material that will be used in production, as I'm sure Love Wellness did here. And while the colors look nearly identical, there is one interesting difference. On the box, you can actually see some of the fluting a little bit because ink pools a tiny bit more in these larger B flutes than it does on the smaller E flutes. Because we can see the ink pooling slightly around the corrugations, we know that the material is printed after it became corrugated. There's one other alternative. When you see really high details and you don't see any pooling at all, it might be evidence that the paper was printed prior to being made into corrugate at all. It might be printed as a roll of paper, and often that's referred to as preprint, pre-printed rolls. In this case, that's not necessary because the effect is beautiful, the color matching is great, and the print is plenty crispy. In this wash of peach color, the products really stand out. Let's talk about their packaging briefly. On these two bottles, you have the actual type that you see and all the information printed on a label that gets applied to the bottle, and then there's a matching cap. Over here, you have a carton box, and this is really interesting. You've got a metallic look with a glossy carton box. The box provides a beautiful base for the products to really shine, and this one especially shines. It actually is sparkly, and it says sparkle fiber, so the product and the name and the package all go together. But how do you make it look like this? Well, this is a combination of special materials and printing processes. It starts with a base of paper, of pressed paper, that makes up this carton material. And then there's probably a holographic film that's actually used to provide the base for this effect, and then ink actually printed on top to create this sparkle look that actually looks like dappled. And on top of that, there might be another clear film that turns the actual package glossy, and then there's the actual blue ink that prints the rest of the text. So again, combination of printing processes, films, materials, all on a base of paper. The box itself has a special construction as well. The top is rather standard. You got a tuck top here that folds in. Nothing too crazy, with flaps, dust flaps to kind of keep the product safe. Putting the product to the side though, you can see that there's actually a special bottom. We refer to this as an auto bottom. That means that the box comes to fulfillment actually like this. It's packaged like this and ready to be used by someone putting the box together to actually get you your product. And when they open it, they can just simply go like this, boom, and the bottom of the box goes into form. They don't need to tape it, they don't need to glue it, they don't really need to do any labor either. This is a way to save time and fulfillment, and it can be quite convenient. It does require some adhesive to actually put the bottom of the box together, which happens when the box is produced. On the bottom of this box is a barcode and also a lot code. It's cool to remember that for products that actually are going to be ingested, things we consume, or things that could actually go bad, there's a lot code oftentimes included on the package. It's really important because it can be an important tracker for when the product expires. In this case, there's an expiry date in 2022, but also the lot can help identify if there's something wrong with a product or if it is actually too old. You can identify that with the lot as well. Something else that's nearly invisible to the naked eye is that this product, this one, and this one all have a shrink sleeve that actually shows you whether they've been tampered with. A shrink sleeve is really nifty, and it's called a shrink sleeve because it shrinks. And so the way that you apply it to the product is you actually get a sleeve and it fits over the product, but with a little bit of give. And then it actually goes through usually a slightly warmed tunnel that heats the material, that's very pliable, and it sucks right onto the package, making it so that you would notice if someone had opened this, and usually you need to either use scissors or your fingernail to get the package open, and oftentimes there's a perforation line. Shrink seals are efficient because they do multiple things. They often keep lids on, because even though a lid seems really tight, in transit a lid vibrating can vibrate through its threads and off. And then you'd have pills and different things from these supplements all over the box. And of course, that would make them less safe to ingest. So the shrink sleeve is keeping the lid on and also keeping dust definitely out of your product. Really important for something you're gonna put in your body. I'm gonna talk about color cohesion. We talked about how this peach color all matches. That takes some effort, but I also wanna mention that this navy blue color is echoed throughout the packaging. Oftentimes, even though the packaging all has different designs and beautiful colors, you'll notice a common element that kind of ties things together. In this case, Love Wellness is using this navy blue color beautifully on the box itself, but it's also on the carton box, and on the product, and on this product as a dominant printing color too. So they're using that color throughout to kind of tie the brand together. All three of these products have labels on them. Labels are not easy to put on a cylinder if you've ever tried doing it with your hands. So these are applied mechanically. There's label application machines that you can get, but keep in mind that if you do a label, you also need to make sure you get it onto the container. Printing labels, though, can be a really good approach for keeping your inventory flexible, because you can have blank bottles sitting somewhere, and let's say you change the supplement or something, you release a new product. You can print a new label as opposed to having printed bottles on hand that are bulky. I think it's time for the Love Wellness recap. Love Wellness has some beautiful packaging, but I want to draw your attention to a few key elements that I personally love. One, it's vibrant. Need I say more? Look at this color, folks, and look at the inside. So colorful, so fun. Next up, it's minimal. Compared to the aisle you'd see with supplements in like a grocery store or a drugstore, this branding is simple. The typography is nice and bold, really different than what you'd see in this category as a whole. And then 3, it's systematic. This is a system, a packaging system. It means that when I'm groggy in the morning and I'm reaching for my probiotic, I don't have to read a label and pull out a magnifying glass. I know it's in the aqua bottle and I can just grab it and go. That's a great packaging system. It's useful. This has been Love Wellness Unboxed.